Listen, everybody, after months of waiting, the moment is here. It is finally back. Eto na, isang tanong, isang sagot. Are you all ready? Ready na yan lahat? Ladies and gentlemen, Ilocos Sur, everyone, Philippines, this is the Ilocos Sur Musical Dancing Fountain in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show, everybody.
Very dedicated heads, especially led by our dearest governor, ladies and gentlemen. Syempre, we are listening with action. Palakpakan po natin, Governor Honorable Jeremiah Jerry Singson. Okay, now na, palakas ng cheer. Let's start with the right wing. Nagagsak na Pasko, ha? Okay, sige, okay na po, ha? Tuwan natin lakasan. Layo na tayo. One more time, everybody. Right wing. Left wing. And center guard. At the home PGIS. Once again, everybody, please welcome the Governor of the Province of Ilocos Sur, Honorable Jeremiah Jerry Singson for his Christmas message.
Yes, all regular employees will be
behind sa costume mo ngayong gabi. Meron ka ba? Wala talaga. Talagang kita-kita to, no? At grabe nga naman. Feel ko itong quintuplets. Grabe sa dami, no? Di ba kasama mo din kasi sila? Ayun. Ay ako, BGIS.
Yes.
Okay. Saan kayo sa BGIN?
Oo,
Okay. Magandang po. Kaya pasensya na lahat. Parang nagulat sila.
Oo nga, ito lang po. Malakpakan niyo po si Ate Gay. I-congratulate po namin.
Bakit naman?
I-congratulate namin si Ate Gay kasi lahat ng kasabayan niya patay na.
Wala mo ha. Let's go po ba yung governor? Mas governor.
Hi, Go! Okay, Go! Go, mahal na po namin.
Ang yung governor nyo sa akin kasi hindi mo. Ang pangit.
Pero sa ba naman ngayon, Ate Gay? Ang dami mo kamukhang artista. Angel of Slim. O, tayo ko bilang 1, 2, 3, o, Big Soto. Hi, Mars! At ang dami mo kamukhang mga international celebrity. Side view, si King Dion.